Just another great speaker, workshop trainer, conference presenter, town hall moderator, TV host, MC fundraiser, articulate and passionate youth educator. Good energy, witty personality, faith and perseverance created him a salary. Taught a whole audience to unlock their power. Even corporations know he put in them hours. He combat bullying, prevention, tactics. Made the commitment to feel his life's passion. Motivate individuals around the globe, and he teaching the people what they really ought to know. This about to stop about policing the community, building up a unity, empower young people when they reaching their destiny. Think before they act, some getting home safely, expecting where they at. Teachers, parents, authority, hey, raising GPAs, hey, you'll be amazed, yeah, they do this every day, and a vision on its way. So when you hear this song, all you gotta do is say, Dwayne Bryant, Dwayne Bryant. Everyone should
Dwayne
know.
Dwayne Bryant.
Dwayne Bryant, the book is The Stop, Improving Police and Community Relations. It's got a workbook for parents, for kids to work on. You're doing great stuff in the community, so critical. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate you.
Dwayne Bryant, aboutthestop.com, Intervision International. One love.
This outside man giving back to his community. Dwayne Bryant was pulled over 6 years ago by a white cop. The traffic stop went viral after the two forged a bond. Since then, he's worked to improve police encounters, and today the FBI recognized him for his outstanding contributions.
It's a great honor and pleasure to present the 2020 Director's Community Leadership Award to Mr. Dwayne Bryant.